Hello. Today, let's have a nice and good blood pressure measurement with the BRAUN ExactFit 5 Connect. BRAUN upper arm blood pressure monitor has been developed for accurate and comfortable blood pressure measurement. And this is an important thing. The measuring accuracy of the Braun's upper arm blood pressure monitor was tested at the time of manufacture and was proven by clinical research in accordance with ESH. This device has not been tested for and hence is not intended of neonatal and infant subjects, of course, pregnant, including pre-eclamptic users. Blood pressure constantly changes throughout the day. It rises sharply in the early mornings and declines during the latest morning. The blood pressure rises again in the afternoon and finally drops to a low level at night. Also, it may vary in a short period of time. Therefore, readings from successive measurements can fluctuate. This device here will display our blood pressure reading references to two values, systolic and diastolic. The systolic blood pressure, this is the upper number, indicates how much pressure we and our blood is exercising against our artery walls when the heart beats. The diastolic blood pressure, this is the lower number, indicates how much pressure our blood is exerting against our artery walls while the heart is resting between the beats. The pulse value is also displayed after each measurement. And the blood measurement in a doctor's office only provides a momentary value. Repeated measurements at home is better reflect one's actual blood pressure values under everyday conditions. Moreover, many people have a different blood pressure when they measure at home because they tend to be more relaxed than when they are in the doctor's office. Regular blood pressure measurements taken at home can be provided our doctor with valuable information on our abnormal blood pressure values under actual everyday conditions. Always take readings at the same time of the day, under the same conditions. We do not take a measurement within 30 minutes of smoking, drinking coffee or tea, or any form of exertion. This factor will influence the measurement. We enter at least 5 minutes of quiet rest before measurement. If possible, it is recommended to rest 10 minutes before taking the measurement. Try to always use the same resting time before taking a measurement itself. We always measure on the same arm. The left arm is recommended. We do not move or speak. We sit comfortably. We keep our legs uncrossed and feet flat on the floor, and back and arm supported. Then we place the cuff in the direct contact with the skin. We do not wrap the cuff over a jacket, sweatshirt, or shirt. If we want to take multiple measurements, we wait approximately 5 minutes before repeating a measurement. And then we can go with it to choose the right cuff. For an accurate measurement, it is important to choose the correct size cuff, which best fits on our upper arm. We choose the cuff size according to our arm circumferences and make sure that the bottom of the cuff is 2 up to 3 centimeters above our elbow. We have in the box a small and medium cuff. That means 22 up to 32 centimeters arm circumference, or the large and XL large cuff. That is 32 up to 42 arm circumferences. We slide the end of arm cuff further from the tube through the metal ring or to a loop. The smooth cloth should be on the inside of the cuff. We plug the air hose into the connector and if the cuff is located correctly, the Velcro will be on the outside of the cuff and the metal ring will not touch the skin itself. We put our left arm through the cuff loop. The bottom of the cuff should be approximately 2 up to 3 centimeters above the elbow. The tube should be over the brachial artery on the inside of the arm. We pull the cuff that the top and the bottom edge are tightened around our arm. When the cuff is positioned properly, we press the Velcro firmly against the pearl side of the cuff. And we sit on a chair and place our arm on the table so that the cuff at the same level as our heart can be. Then we press and release the start button, and then it will be used on. We can switch between user A or B if we preset this. We press and release the start button and all icons on the display will be shown for 2 seconds. The air pressure will automatically pump up to a certain pressure level and start with the measurement. We do not move or talk in the midst of taking the blood measurement. We, during the measurement, keep our legs uncrossed and the feet flat on the floor. And after the air pressure has increased, the pulse is detected. The heart rate symbol will start flashing. The LCD display will show the result and WHO indicator error after the measurement. After using the device, we turn it off by pressing the start button again, or it will be automatic to turn off after 1 minute. Our blood pressure monitor can store the latest 60 records for each user. After each blood pressure measurement, the systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, the pulse rate, and the time and date of the specific day will be automatically stored in the memory base. Then we can store and show this to our doctor, for example, if it is necessary. So easy, you can make a blood pressure monitoring using the BRAUN ExactFit 5 Connect. And on the top, you can pair the ExactFit 5 Connect using an app with your smartphone. And all the measurements in the memory and the measurements of today, for example, are shown in the app. That's a really additional cool feature of the BRAUN ExactFit 5 Connect. So you can go with your smartphone and the app to your doctor. You does not need to carry the ExactFit 5 Connect to the doctor, for example. Really cool and easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.